calls for justice and reform of missing persons at funeral service of a UTech student. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Sandy Williams. Also this evening, Prime Minister comments on missing JLP manifesto and PNP mass meeting underway in Crossroads in St. Andrew. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so please stay tuned. The news in details right after this break.